Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are delving into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 25th, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of 0.57% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average loss of 0.14% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a moderate upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.91% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 3.06% to 11.62%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of around 30.67% over the next 12 months, with possible returns between 10.63% and 35.17%. This suggests a price range of between $254.57 to $311.04 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The Apple stock price decreased by 1.53% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024. The price fell from $233.67 to $230.10. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.7%, ranging from a low of $229.56 to a high of $233.47. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 0.72% for this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 15 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 46 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $10.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 3.11%, or $7.39, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is poised for a significant earnings report as it navigates a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities. Recent analysis suggests that while iPhone sales in China are rebounding, which could lead to Apple's biggest revenue jump in 2 years, the company still faces headwinds from fluctuations in the Chinese market and general economic conditions. In the short term, this combination of factors can create volatility in AAPL's stock price. Moreover, Apple has introduced a redesigned Mac Mini for the first time in 15 years, featuring compact dimensions and new M4 chips that significantly enhance performance. This innovation not only addresses consumer demand for more powerful computing devices, but also symbolizes Apple's continuous commitment to integrating advanced technology into its products. This product news can positively impact investor sentiment and potentially improve sales figures in the long term. While the upcoming quarterly earnings report may reflect strong services growth, investor reaction could hinge on the performance of iPhone sales against the backdrop of a challenging market. Apple's notable cash reserves and strategic pricing power serve as buffers against potential downturns, maintaining its reputation for stability and robust earnings. Ultimately, positive developments such as increased iPhone demand and innovative product launches may provide a foundation for steady growth, bolstering AAPL's stock in both the immediate and extended future. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. a underweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler rated Apple Inc. with a neutral grade and also recommended a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS provided a neutral grade for Apple Inc. along with a hold rating. On the same day, Bernstein rated Apple Inc. as outperform, while suggesting a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets awarded Apple Inc. a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock may face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $232.25. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $228.29. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMAX-ED. There are also some negative signals that could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, resulting in a decline of 2.7% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is warranted. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, within the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge in a specific formation. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivot points suggest a sell signal from 8 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 30 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average has a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 126 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 114 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.91 between its high and low, which represents 1.7%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.23%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Apple, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.55. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $230.76. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a move. For those already holding the stock, this could represent a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.20. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chris Kondo, who bought and sold a total of 17,989 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.126. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 2,071,734 shares, while selling 3,595,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $221.67, reflecting a decline of 3.66%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this moment. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we anticipate that Apple will open up by 94 cents and begin trading at $231.04. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.